the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition is all over the internet. So we pretty much know everything about it and how it is different from the regular OnePlus 6T. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are here to unbox the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. So let's quickly get started. Now, we all know that this is not a lot different from the regular OnePlus 6T, though there are some changes under the hood. So this gets the same Snapdragon 845 processor. Though you get a bump in the RAM on this phone. So you get 10 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Apart from that, of course, we have the papaya orange scheme that goes along with the McLaren branding. Apart from that, you also get a 30 watt rapid charge that should get you 50% of the battery in 20 minutes. So that's really wonderful. Apart from that, the phone is the regular OnePlus 6T, and I love the orange color, I must say. We have some really good wallpapers to go well with the McLaren theme. And yes, you get the same Oxygen OS that will ensure that this phone beats everything in the speed test. The user experience has been great, and I'm sure even the camera would be wonderful. So guys, this is it. This was the unboxing of the McLaren edition. Now you could see that my camera is picking up a little of the carbon fiber pattern at the back. If you could probably see this, let me just try to refocus this. That's it. That's really beautiful, and it's actually beautiful, especially with this orange tint at the corners. It makes it look really unique. So I really appreciate, and a great thumbs up to OnePlus for designing such a beautiful phone. Now goes out for about 50,000 $999 on Amazon. So please get yours from Amazon. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video, and please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for all the future updates. Bye bye.